हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू द चैनल द स्टॉक जर्नल। तो गाइस, आज की वीडियो के अंदर हम एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट पे बात करने वाले हैं। वो एस्पेक्ट है गाइस मार्केट का, आईपीओ मार्केट, इनिशियल पब्लिक ऑफरिंग, व्हेन अ कंपनी लॉन्च इट्स, व्हेन अ कंपनी बिकम्स पब्लिक फ्रॉम प्राइवेट। तो वो वाले पर्सपेक्टिव के अंदर हम डिस्कस करेंगे गाइस। एंड डिस्कस क्या करेंगे हम बेसिकली यहाँ पे, I'll गिव यू अ प्लेस, मतलब एक वेबसाइट जहाँ पे यू कैन गो एनी टाइम when IPO is coming, or when you have like some doubts about a company, that company is launching its IPO and you want to apply it in that particular IPO. So what you can do, just go to that website and you can do their analysis. And I'll tell in the starting that this video is not sponsored. I'm making this video on that particular website because I like their content, and I'm thanking the particular team of IPO Watch, that is the website that I'm talking about, that they are doing a really fantastic job and they should like keep working on it, and I'm sure that you will also love this website. So guys, I'll request you guys, if you are new to our channel, please do hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. It really means a lot, and just increase the engagement on this channel because we are consistently working on providing you the like content on our channel. So it would really means a lot if you can subscribe to our channel. So guys, let's start with the video. So guys, this is the website I was talking about, IPO Watch, and see in I'll explain you about the website features and about like what you actually can see here. So this video will be about this website and as well as about the IPO guide. Basically, I'll be guiding you like what you have to see in an IPO. So guys, what happens when a company announces its IPO? So how can you check it? You can come to this website and you can go this in upcoming IPO section. So it is telling you that right now the IPOs are coming, which is Latent View, Tarsan product. IPO Latent View is going to list on Monday. Tarsan's product and Go Fashion is currently running. So these are the IPOs which is available in the market right now. If you click on this one, this will give you a list like which IPO will come in the future. So Go Air, MobiKwik, and ESAP, Ruchi Soya. Ruchi Soya is the most interesting one as per me, and MobiKwik as well. But we are talking about this website. So you have the option, you have a website where you can come and check anytime that which IPO is coming next. Okay, so that is the first point. When you know an IPO, like an IPO is of a company is coming, then what you have to do is just you have to research on the company. And when company is not public, when a company is private, so the data available, that data of that particular company which is available in the market is very nominal, very that is not very vast available. So this website will give you an idea about the company financials. So this website is providing you everything at a single place. See, to check out the company's financial or company details, you just have to come in the IPO section. Like for example, we can check out the latent view. So just click on the upcoming IPO and then you will have the list. So for example, we are going to check about the latent view analytics. Okay. So latent view. So we will get all this information in this article. This article is telling that. So latent view analytics IPO review, brokerage firm IPO reviews, latent view analytics IPO date and price band. So everything is available here. For example, like you can go, like you can see in this table, IPO open, close, size, issue for sale, value, price band, listing, retail quota, QIB, NII quota, discount, DRHP. So everything is available here. Minimum lot and price band available, anchor investment, anchor investor details, and company's financial details. So company was doing good, that is why this IPO is going to do very good, as per me, because the GMP is also good. So next we will talk about GMP. When you know about a company, you have to apply for that, okay? And when you have applied a IPO, so you also can do one thing, like you can check this IPO subscription. For example, the current IPO which is running is Tarsan and Go Fashion, I think. So yeah, Go Fashion on the day one, it was subscribed by in the retailer section 2.4.63 times, that is 6.87, which is currently running. So these are closed. So it was subscribed by Latent View 326.49%, which is showing its demand. Sigachi was subscribed by 101.91 times. So you can check out the demand of the IPO by this. Then we come back to this GMPs. GMP is actually grey market premium, and it tells you about like how IPO is doing after people have applied and the stock has not listed yet on the BSE or NSE on the index, but before that this is the gray market premium. So this tells us how the price going to list on the NSE or BSE basic index. So if GMP is good, then that means that stock will probably do good on the listing. So this is about that. So you can just come here, you just click on that particular IPO. For example, let's talk about latent view GMP. Latent view GMP, it was coming here only. So latent view GMP is 350, which is really good and subject to like 20,000. So अभी जो पहले 14,000 था उस टाइम पे यही 20,000 है, तो this shows us that this IPO is going to perform good. So you see guys, this website is giving you the option to check out each and every details in a single website. So I would definitely recommend you guys, like ये मेरी personal opinion है, that's on you. If you know any website, please mention that in the comment section. I would love to check out that particular website, but in my opinion the IPO watch is really good. And now it's on you. I have told you about this website, and you can also explore the website on your own. And that's it guys for this video. I was just trying to give you an option like for the IPO, because I've seen people who don't have any much knowledge on the IPOs and they apply that, and they apply the particular IPO, and if they get it, they're just happy. If they are not, then they are unhappy, so they are not doing particular analysis. So I just want people to at least do some analysis. This website is giving you much better options, so why are you wasting your time? Like, you're just applying like a gambler. So don't be speculators or gamblers, be at least real-time investors. No, that's my main motive. So guys, thank you very much for this video. I'll see you in the next video, and till then, bye bye, and please do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel guys.